This video will show you how to enhance an outdoor photo in Lightroom. Go to the Develop menu to get started. Click on the Basic section. Click on the White Balance selector. Click on the white part of the photo. The white balance of the photo has been fixed. Reduce highlight to -100. Increase shadows to +100. Hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and increase the white slider as needed. The slider should be released when the little white part is seen. Again, hold down the Alt key from the keyboard and lower the black slider as needed. Then, when the little black part is seen, the slider should release it. Increase clarity to +25. Click on the Tone Curve section. Increase highlight to +11. Increase the light to +11. Reduce dark to -11. Reduce shadows to -11. Then click on the SSL color section. Reduce green to -27. Reduce aqua to -12. Reduce blue to -25. Then click on the Detail section. Increase the amount to 100. Hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and increase the radius slider as needed. I increase the radius for my photo to 2.5. The detail will be 25. Again, hold down the Alt key and increase the masking slider as needed. Here, I increase the masking to 51. Then, click on the Lens Correction section. Check Remove Chrome Aberration. Then, tick Enable Profile Correction. Click on the Mac drop-down menu from Lens Profile. I am going to select Nikon. Then click on the Effects section. Decrease amount to -11. Well, the photo has been enhanced. Thanks a lot for watching the video.